Welcome back. Can you believe it? Thanksgiving just a week away.
I'm excited.
So this time next week, it's going to be Thanksgiving. Yeah, I'm excited. And if you haven't finalized your menu yet, we've got a great recipe to round out Turkey Day.
Are you going somewhere for Thanksgiving?
No, I'm working. I'm staying right here.
That's too bad.
Well, thanks, Kirk. I appreciate your sympathy. It was so convincing.
Joining us in the kitchen this morning, celebrity chef Mark Kalix with Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom. Always good to have you.
Thank you. Yeah.
You've got some, I mean, they're kind of hacks, if you will.
Yeah.
Things you can do to manage the process better and maybe speed it up.
Yeah, that's right. So I see all the time the home cook tries to overdo everything the day of.
Yeah, like 15 things at once.
Yeah, and I'm here to talk about what can we do beforehand to kind of turbocharge Thanksgiving.
Okay.
Work smarter, not harder.
Work smarter, not harder.
Yeah.
So turkey tips, right?
Okay.
So one thing, like I like to get my turkey in the oven at a 500-degree oven. I preheat my oven really hot. So when I throw my turkey in there, I turn it immediately down to 350. That could cut up to an hour of cooking time off your turkey.
Really?
Wow.
Yeah, yeah, because if you put a turkey in at 300 or 350, the temperature of the oven takes a nosedive, and then it spends the next hour trying to get back up to the right temperature.
You're so afraid to dry it out.
Yeah,
yeah.
And the reason my turkey's not dry is because I put it in upside down. So I put it in with the breast down and the legs up.
I love this demonstration.
Oh,
yeah.
No, you got to show us that again.
Yeah,
like
upside
this.
down. So breast
like
down,
that. Okay.
legs up, right? Like that. You got
Gobble,
it.
gobble.
Perfect.
Cook me.
That lets the dark meat cook faster than the breast meat, and then the last 20% of the cooking time, I flip it over, boom, golden brown, delicious.
That's a pro tip.
Right,
I
so
like
that
that.
works beautiful. Check it out with your potatoes, whether it's sweet potatoes or mashed potatoes, peel them the day before, chop them up, and get them into ice cold water. I even put my potatoes in the pot I'm going to cook them in. Right, so then the next day I pull them out of the pot in the cold water, set them on the stove, boom, turn them on. How much time is that going to save?
A lot.
30, 40 minutes easily
if
you're slow with, or you're doing a lot. You know, you're feeding 25 people. One of my favorites is sweet potato hash, right? So I dice my potatoes the day before. I store them in cold water. I toss them with Chinese 5-spice, which I have right here.
Is that edible?
Yeah, this is super edible.
I didn't even ask. I just went for it.
You can serve this hot or cold. I'm choosing to serve it chilled today.
Okay.
But this makes a lovely side. You can put this over some.
You can cook this the day before.
Yeah.
It's done already.
You can cook it the day before and serve it chilled.
Oh, that's good.
You can preheat it. You can reheat it. And
You're pretty good at cooking.
yeah, thanks. Yeah. You know, and then this is one of my go-tos. I've been making this for years, and this is the country style green beans, right? So
what does that mean?
Country style green beans, onions, bacon, green beans, chicken stock. I'm gonna send this over. They're just gonna eat right out of the pot, folks. Right? This is like family around here, right? We're just eating right out of the pot. And what I love about this is, you know, green beans, unlike other vegetables, you can put this on the back burner. You can have these suckers cook all day long.
They're not going to get soggy.
They're not going to get soggy. They're not going to dry out. And the beautiful thing about this is that, isn't this delicious, right?
I can't stop eating it.
Yeah, you can have all of this ready to go, sitting on the back burner. You don't have to panic. You don't have to rush.
You can focus on the bird when it comes out.
You can focus on the bird.
Yeah.
That's the important part, and that's what that's the star of the show for Thanksgiving.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's my pleasure.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
That was a lot of fun.
Thank you.
As always, we're going to have you back in, I believe, on Thanksgiving.
That's right.
To talk about how to cut the bird.
That's right. There's a right and wrong way, and we're not just going to cut it randomly. There's a process I'm going to show
flip
that
on the morning
to you.
news, Thanksgiving morning, while you're getting this stuff
You won't
prepped,
see Kirk,
Greg.
but, you know, I'll still be here.
What's up, Greg?
Oh, nothing much.